Hello and welcome back, everybody. If you want to send documents to email and you are looking out how to fix that issue, today we are going to guide you through the solutions for that. So let's just dive right in. To easily send the document, you can look out for the Gmail application and compose a new email. For that, once you are into your Gmail app, you can look out for the compose option and start up a new message. So you can just go over and select up the recipient to whom you want to send it. So I'm just going to type in this email right here. Once it is confirmed, you can type in your subject, what your subject is, and right below it, we can compose an email. Now, if you want to send documents to email, you just need to look out for the paperclip icon at the top of the email compose window and click on it. After that, you can just go over and open up the folder containing your document. It may be on your files or drive, so I'm just going to select files. And once you select it, it will show you all of the available files on your device. You just need to select up the particular email, the document that you would like to send. So I'm just going to select one of the documents. You may just go over and do so, download. And then once you select it, you just need to go over and hit send. You can tap on the arrow icon in the top right corner and select it. And when you do, the particular email will be sent. And that's it. You can review the email to ensure the correct file is attached, and you can usually see the file name below your message. You can click on the send button to finish up, and that's how you easily send the documents to email. So that's it, everybody. We hope this video was helpful. Make sure to give this video a like and also subscribe for more tips and tutorials.